Oh, sorry. Welcome to Shannon's Space World 2019 time. So, maybe I should start doing EAS videos on AccuWeather too. And it says, Meteor shower! Our meteor shower peaks tonight within 20 shooting stars per hour. Learn more about your idle viewing time and conditions here. Oh my god, I cannot believe there's going to be a meteor shower. And I just got done school, and I just, got that message. Oh no. It's really, really bad, guys. It's rare. Alright, guys. See? And it's actually real. I cannot believe there's actually going to be a real-life meteor shower tonight. Oh no. Okay, don't panic. Don't worry. Okay. Alright, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video, leave a comment down below, and press that notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. See who.